Let's be honest, government retopology is hell. You spend hours manually aligning polygons, trying to match vertex counts across different sewing patterns, and one accidental loop cut can ruin the perfect topology of the entire mesh. But what if I told you this process can be cut from 5 hours down to just 5 minutes? Meet the UV Retopo workflow, a tool that takes all the complex math upon itself. The secret to perfect topology is a solid framework. Instead of placing polygons blindly, the add-on uses the UV unwrap of a high-poly model. With just a few clicks, the script analyzes the seams and generates perfect 3D boundary curves that wrap your model flawlessly. These colored lines are our guides. They guarantee that the new grid will stay exactly where it belongs. Forget about manual vertex extrusion. We simply create perimeters, select the 4 corners of our future grid, and press Fill Grid. The built-in algorithm instantly fills the space with perfect, evenly distributed quads. And here is the absolute game changer in the new version, the live 3D preview. As you build and edit your flat 2D mesh, the add-on projects it onto the 3D model in real time. It instantly syncs textures and materials from the high-poly mesh, so you can perfectly align your topology loops with fabric patterns or logos right in 2D, with zero performance drop. You can adjust the density at any time by subdividing or simplifying the mesh, and the algorithm automatically reveals the loops. Now for the biggest headache, stitching mismatched pieces. One pattern has 7 vertices on the edge, the other has 5. We used to count and match this manually. Now we just hit auto sync. Watch what happens. The add-on automatically finds the deficit and cuts the missing edge loops. But that's not all. The script mathematically mirrors the vertex spacing of adjacent piece. The grid doesn't distort, loop cuts don't ruin free edges, and the topology remains flawless. When the framework is complete and synchronized, all that's left is to hit Snap to High Poly to capture the finest details on the 3D volume. Final touch: stitch seams. All the separate patterns fuse into a single, continuous mesh. No stretching, no triangles, just clean, studio quality topology. What used to take hours of tedious and boring work now takes exactly 5 minutes. The UV Retopo add-on handles all the heavy mathematics, leaving you more time for actual creativity. The link to download the add-on and the full documentation is waiting for you in the description below. Let me know in the comments how many hours you usually spend on Retopology. Hit the like button, subscribe, and see you in the next videos.